Dear friends, today is a Mother Day and it is a special occasion to honor the mother figure in our lives and show them how much we love and appreciate them. One of the most popular ways to express this love is by giving a Mother's Day card. Here are some design ideas for creating a beautiful and heartfelt Mother's Day card. Floral theme. A floral themed card is a classic option that never goes out of style. Use watercolor or colored pencils to create a beautiful bouquet or a single flower. You can also add some glitter or sequins to make it sparkle. Handprints or footprints. For younger children, handprints or footprints can be a great way to create a personalized and sentimental card. Use washable paint of ink to create a unique design that mom will cherish forever. Pop up card. A pop up card adds an element of surprise and excitement to your Mother's Day gift. You can create a simple design with a flower or a heart that pops up when the card is opened, or create a more elaborate design with multiple pop ups. Photo card. A photo card is a great way to showcase some of your favorite memories with mom. Choose a favorite photo and add some embellishment or text to create a personalized and heartfelt message. Quilling card. Quilling is the art of ruling and shaping strips of paper to create intricate design. You can use quilling techniques to create a beautiful and unique Mother's Day card. Use different shades of paper to create a colorful design that mom will love. Handwritten message. Sometimes the simplest cards are the most heartfelt. Use your own handwriting to create a personalized message that expresses your love and appreciation for mom. Add some drawing or doodles to make it more fun and colorful. In conclusion, there are many creative and heartfelt ways to design a Mother's Day card. Whether you choose a classic floral theme or try something more elaborate like quilling or pop up cards, the most important thing is to express your love and appreciation for the special woman in your life. So, dear friends, if you like our ideas, click the like button and subscribe our channel.